Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel The Productive Girl. Today's video is like a tech unboxing sort of. I'm going to unbox this Apple Mac Mini M1. So first let's see a quick unboxing and then I will share with you guys my setup and also my thoughts about this product. Let's get started. Okay guys, that's the little unboxing and it is the Apple Mac Mini with the M1 chip. It comes with 8GB RAM and also 256GB SSD storage. It's like a portable CPU. You can carry it anywhere, like you can even carry it in your backpack and use Mac computer anywhere you go. You just need a monitor, keyboard and mouse and everything to use. I will provide the product link in the description box below. When you unbox, this is how it looks. It has pre-installed Mac OS. It's lightweight. I think it's around 1.5 kgs, so it's very minimalistic and also space saving as well. When you compare it to Windows, the CPU is not at all space saving. Additionally, we would also need like a cabinet, GPU and everything. So when comparing to that, it's really space saving and quite minimalistic, which I really like. So we have Mac Mini inside the box and also power cord cable, user manual and the Apple sticker. The design is minimal and stylish and has rounded corners, and in the bottom we have like a bush for some like gripness, and also these are the multiple ports that are given. First one, this is like a power on off button, and also it gives like a little nice sound whenever we power on the device. And a power port and Ethernet cable if you want to access the internet. It has by default Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. You can connect internet through Wi-Fi as well. There is like two Thunderbolt supported USB 4 ports and also HDMI port in order to connect to the monitor, and two USB port if you want to connect a keyboard, mouse or like an external card reader. And also we have like a 3.5mm jack which you can use it for speakers, mic or headset. And also we have this ventilator port where the airflow happens. It also has an inbuilt speaker which is also quite good. Now coming to like a setup and connection, it's quite basic and simple. Just a basic setup and it's all done. Everything is like pre-installed. Now coming to my review of using it so far. My need for buying this Apple Mac Mini M1 is to edit my YouTube videos. For my need, it's just perfect. The performance in editing videos is so good. In Windows, it would take me like hours to export the particular video, like 4 to 5 hours it would take. But here it just happens in like 1 to 2 minutes, which is so cool. And even if the video is like 30 minutes long, it is taking not more than 5 minutes. I'm seriously amazed by the performance of this Mac Mini. Coming to the speaker, it's like a medium quality. It's not so high and also not so low. It's somewhere in the middle. This is like my cable situation going on. So that's the unboxing and my review so far using it. And if you really like tech unboxing, you can check out my iPhone unboxing video. It is on the screen right now. And also I want to mention that so easy to share from the iPhone to Mac Mini. It's like lightning speed. And that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe. I would really appreciate. See you guys next time. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye bye.